Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Tinder. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to change your name on Tinder, simply follow the steps. Start by tapping open your Tinder application or simply go to tinder.com and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're logged in, go and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. From your profile page, go to settings, and as you can see, there's no option whatsoever in order to change your name on Tinder. If you want to edit your other informations, then you can simply tap on edit info and go ahead and add media, your bio, and you can add other informations like your job title, company names, your university information, and much more. So if you want to change your name on Tinder, remember that once you have created an account, you won't be able to change it later on. If you need to update your name on Tinder, the only option you have left is to delete your account and start over. While deleting your account, you'll permanently lose all of your matches, messages, consumable purchases, and other information associated with your account. In order to get rid of your Tinder profile and create a new, simply go to the settings button from your profile, scroll all the way down and tap on delete account. From this page, select delete my account, given a reason why you are trying to delete your account by picking one from the display, or simply type it in by tapping on other and given your region in the text box. On the next page, simply tap on delete my account and you'll be able to delete your Tinder account. Now, in order to change your name, go ahead and sign up for a new account. You can choose your Google option, Facebook, or your phone number option in order to create an account. Let me tap on login with phone number option. Type in your phone number on the next page and tap on continue. Wait for the verification code that has been sent to the mobile number that you provided, and after you receive it, simply tap on continue. Enter your email in the email text box. Once you are done, tap on continue and tap on I agree. Type in your first name, but this time remember to enter the name that you previously wanted to change to. After you're done, tap continue and finish the rest of the process. Enter your birthday information, pick your gender, choose your sexual orientation, add your profile pictures, and now you'll be able to create a profile with a new name that you wanted to change. That is how you can easily change your name on Tinder. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.